When thinking about improving customer experience, loss prevention is often seen as a hurdle. But what if we told you that your loss prevention technology can become an invaluable asset? At Cross Point, we've perfected retail analytics by leveraging your current technology. We interpret the data they already generate to gain valuable insights into the buying behavior of your visitors. It's something online stores have been doing since forever. With all this information, we can help you to identify your power hours, customer dwell times, and how factors such as the weather forecast influence them. And by linking your store data to the cloud, we can connect your individual locations. That way, we're able to resolve malfunctions immediately and remotely. And we'll notice when an antenna has been turned off as well. Your antennas even present a branding opportunity by offering a canvas for print advertising. Meanwhile, our Smart Green mode helps you minimize your power consumption. And we even offer a 5-year warranty on your connected systems. So trust CrossPoint to improve your analytics, and trust your analytics to improve your customer service. Go to crosspoint.nl.